Hi, in this video tutorial we will learn how to deactivate or delete Facebook account. So click on Facebook and click on profile option, and you can see setting option. Click over here, and here you can see option of Facebook profile. So click on profile, select the profile you want to deactivate account, and here you can see deactivation or deletion. Click on it, simply choose the profile, and here you will have two options over deactivate account and delete account. So let's see how we can delete account. So as you can see, account is here, so simply select account and delete. So let's check how deactivate is working on this Facebook. So once you will click on deactivation, here it will redirect you to Facebook. So once it will redirect Facebook, just try a password. So once you will try a Facebook passwords over here, so as you can see, I am trying a different passwords over here. So it will redirect me to the account which I want to deactivate my profile. Will redirect me to the page where you can set different options and reasons for your deactivation. So once I will click any of the reason, so simply here you can see option of deactivation. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure like, comment and subscribe my channel.